Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to share a best software with you that allows you to transfer your WhatsApp data from your Android to iPhone, or you can transfer your WhatsApp from your iPhone to Android or any other devices with a lot more functionalities. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to tell you some good features of this software, then I will tell you how you can transfer your WhatsApp from iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, this is the software I'm going to be talking about today, iCareFone for WhatsApp transfer. So this is the best software to transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to Android or any other devices. Like as you can see that the quickest way to transfer, backup and restore your WhatsApp and WhatsApp business data. So let's see how this works. As you can see that easily transfer WhatsApp chats between Android and iOS, directly transfer WhatsApp business between iOS and Android. It's a new feature of this software. As you can see that one click to backup and restore WhatsApp data and WhatsApp business, and many other features are there. As you can see that latest iOS, iPad OS 14 and Android 10 compatible. So this is the best software to transfer WhatsApp data from a device to another. So if we look at the reviews of this software, as you can see that they've got 20 reviews and almost 4.9 stars, and all of the customers are so happy with this software. So it's a great software. I've used this software myself and this is the best software to transfer data. So how can you use this software to transfer your data or to backup and restore your data to some other devices? So first of all, you'll have to download this software from here. Okay, I'll drop the download link in a description, so you can just download from there. Okay, as you can see that after downloading this, you'll have to buy this software. Okay, so you'll have to click here to buy this software. And if you look at the pricing of this software, you can get a 1 month license for $20 and 1 year license for $39 and lifetime license for $49. So I would recommend you to use this lifetime license for $50. Okay, so you'll have to click on this buy now button, and the good news is you can get a 30% discount if you use the coupon code I am sharing in my description box. And this coupon code, you can just use this coupon code here and then you'll get a 30% discount of this total amount. Okay, so after buying this, you'll get a registration code and email to your registered email. Then you can just use this software. Now I will show you how you can transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. I'm going to show you how you can transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. So as you can see that many options are there. WhatsApp, you can transfer app data between two devices of WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, Line, Kick, Viber and WeChat. You can just transfer data of all these applications. So I'm going to click on this WhatsApp Business, and then make sure you have connected both of your devices to your laptop. Like as you can see that I have connected my both of devices like iPhone and Android devices. I'm going to transfer my WhatsApp data from iPhone to Android. If you want to transfer your Android data to iPhone, then you'll have to click here. As you can see that source Android device and destination iPhone. So okay, you'll have to click on this transfer. Okay, now please follow the steps below to allow authorization. Okay, so you'll have to allow this authorization from your Android device. Okay, done. And now WhatsApp Business on my mobile will be overwritten. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay, then I will have, you can just click on this backup to take a backup on your destination mobile. So I will click on this continue. Okay, now it will take a backup of my WhatsApp Business data in the source device. Okay, it's done, and then you'll have to verify your target account, verify the WhatsApp Business account that you are going to log in on the target device. You'll have to verify your phone number. okay, your country code and then your number. Then click on this verify button and then done. Okay, in this step you'll get a code, you'll get a verification code in your mobile phone. Then you'll have to enter that verification code here. I've already done it. Okay, it's done. As you can see that WhatsApp business data has been transferred from my iPhone to my Android successfully. So as you can see that you must log in to WhatsApp business on the target device using my phone number, or otherwise my backup cannot be detected. Okay, so now it's very simple. I will have to log in on my Android device using this number. I will get my all data on my Android device. So that's how you can transfer your WhatsApp data from your Android to iPhone, or iPhone to Android, or between any other devices, like using this software. And this is the best software to transfer your WhatsApp data so quickly. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.